You can easily set up an email signature straight from inside your Google account. Let me show you how this is done. You just go ahead and open up any browser that you may have. In my case, I have Google Chrome here, so I'm going to open that. And you want to log in into your Gmail account. Now, once you're there, just go ahead and click on Gmail here on the top right hand side, and this will take you into your email. You want to click on the gear, it's for the settings. You want to open up that, and then you want to click on see all settings. Now, once you're there, guys, all you have to do is just simply scroll all the way down to the section that says no signature. If you don't have any signature, it will say no signature, and you will be able to create a signature right here from within your Google account. You see, guys, you don't have to have a Microsoft Outlook in order to set up a fancy, nice email signature. You can do this for your Gmail account as well, and this is very easy to do. So all you have to do is just simply click and create new, and you want to give your email signature a name. In my case, I will just call it Drew Tutorial. In my case, I will just call it Drew Tutorial. Then I'm going to click create. And then you have the space here where you can fill in all the information that you need. Now, I already have my information written already, so I'm going to just simply paste it here and do a little bit of formatting. Now, you can always play around with the font and the size and the style, or whatever you may want. You can go ahead and do so. Now, in my case, I'm going to just click to see how few of these look, and then I will make a decision on which one of them I think looks best. Let me go ahead and choose, for example, this narrow is a bit too large. I think this one is not bad. I'm going to just go ahead and do some bolding here, and also for the email as well. Now you see, guys, this is not bad, and you can go ahead and you can play around with this even more. Now what you can also do as well, you can also include an image. Now I'm going to include an image in my email here, so let me go ahead and click insert image. Now at the top you have three options, guys. You have the My Drive, you have the upload, and you also have a web URL. So you can also paste a URL of an image, and you can basically get that image right here to upload within your email signature. Now for my case, now I'm going to simply click on upload, and I will find an image that I have right inside my downloads folder, and I'm going to simply drag that image right here. And this is the logo of Drew Tutorial. Now as you see right here, it's very large. So in order to get this smaller, you just want to click on it, and you'll have a few options here. You can remove it, you can use a normal size, you can use it large, small, or medium. I'm going to start off with small to see how it looks, and as you can see, it is very small there. So I'm going to try the medium, and I think the medium actually does not look bad, so I'm going to leave it as medium. And yeah, I think this is pretty much fine. Now once you're done, guys, you want to go ahead and change the following settings. You want to choose if you want the email signature to show for a new email, so you want to go ahead and select the email signature here, and also on reply or forward use, when you want to forward an email, you want to go ahead and select that signature as well. Now as you see, you can also choose multiple different signatures, so you can always create multiple signatures if you so desire, and you can just basically select them from within the drop down here. And if you'd like to edit your signature name, for example, you can simply go ahead and click on this and make changes to it, then click done. Or if you'd like to delete the signature altogether, you just simply click on this bin icon here, and this will delete the signature for you. Now once you're done, once you're satisfied and you're finished, all you have to do is just simply scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you want to click on save changes, and your email signature will be there. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on a new email, so let me go ahead and click on compose there, and you can see now that my email signature is now included within a new email there. Now if I open up any email, for example this one, and I will simply click on reply, and you'll notice once I scroll down, there will be the three dots here that will basically allow me to see more content. And if I click on this and scroll down, you will realize that my email signature is now included within the email as well. Now guys, this is how easy it is to create email signature in your Gmail account inside your Google account. Now, I really hope that you found some value in this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you see the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.